Today I'm here at Motor Match Crew, and in this particular video I'll be showing you 5 signs that you need your car's battery replacing. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it. Number 1 on my list is to check your dashboard. When you get in the car and start it up, often the vehicle will do a system check highlighting any issues, especially with this Volvo here. And it may show check engine light, for example, and this is normally a telltale sign that your battery could be on its way out. Furthermore, it could have different symbols which could indicate this also. So it's always the first port of call to check your vehicle systems. Number 2 on our list is a slow engine crank. Now, a slow engine crank is one of the most obvious signs that your car battery needs replacing. When you put your keys into the ignition and you go to start the car and it's taking a while to start, that means that the battery is not providing enough power to start the engine. This can be caused by cold weather, or if you simply leave the headlights on when you lock the car and walk away. Number 3 on the list is dimmed headlights. When you're driving, you may notice that your visibility isn't as good as it once was, and that's a warning that maybe your battery is low on power, because typically when your engine is running, your headlights should be at its brightest. The 4th thing on our list on what to look out for is swollen battery cases. This is normally a result of high temperatures, and it can cause irreversible damage to the battery and car itself. You have to look out for swollen corners or swollen sides to the battery, and it normally means that the battery's been overcharged or overheated. The 5th and final thing to check is your car battery age. Now, car batteries normally last between 3 and 5 years, and you can determine the age of your car battery via the label that's stamped onto the battery itself. So if you're coming up to the 5-year mark, make sure to schedule in for a new battery replacement, as you could avoid any unexpected breakdowns. So then, I hope this gives you a better insight into some of the signs which might mean that your car battery needs replacing. For any further information, please head to our website or check out our Swansway blog. I'll leave a link down below in the description for you to read to your heart's content. Until then, we'll see you next time.